Coming to you live with a 2-second lean update. It is an update on top of an update. This is my chicken brooder, and we've got medium-sized chicks, we've got large chicks, and we have teeny chicks. Well, the brooder's awesome because the large chicks just stick their head out and eat there, but the small ones need to eat out of this from the inside because they can't reach. So the problem is, if a big chick or something steps on it, it flips it. Well, if it flips it, the food just falls through the grate, and you can see there's tons of feed mixed in with the poop. So my previous improvement was to buy this guy, which I did today for $7, but then I forgot I have a 3D printer. And I printed this, which is awesome, as a gravity-fed feeder. But I want you to see the hole size difference, because chicks love to pull feed out and just scatter it everywhere. So my 2-second lean improvement is printing this awesome gravity-fed feeder that things can't flip over, that also don't have the feed wasted, and means we don't need to refill it. And I'm probably going to go hop on CAD and design a little triangle so they don't roost on the top of this and try to knock it over. Well, it's probably pretty stable. It's hard. I'm using a lot of force, but that is my 2-second lean improvement.